So the problem with this kind of video is always कि तुम बोलोगे क्या? Because now suddenly you are asking somebody to condense 10 years of lived experience. Highs, lows, wins, losses, whatever. How is that even possible? This November we complete 10 years in existence. We matlab the MVP.in completes 10 years in existence, and we thought we should probably take you to the place where it began and maybe step by step get to where we are. So here's that happening now. So this was actually our first office. Now abhi iska thoda huliya badla hua hai. Now this is just become my gaming room. It's my PC over there, but yahi rehta tha first office. Whenever we used to get stock, we used to like arrange it on this side, all of it. And our work table was exactly this side. There used to be a table here with 3 big screens or 2 big screens, and it used to be shared by me and Shazib. We used to share that table. And there used to be a whiteboard here. There used to be a whiteboard here जिसमें running score of FIFA happening कि आज का game कौन जीता, and used to keep going because we used to start early, spend the whole day, and in the end we needed to chill because तब तो पता नहीं था, तब उतना काम नहीं था. We still figuring out a lot of stuff. खुद ही का website बनाए and so on. एक ही assembly table रहता था, and that assembly table used to be where this is right now, where these 2 kids are playing. That's where the assembly table was there. So yeah, it used to be like that. कभी कभी दोस्त लोग भी आते थे, कभी कभी so called well wishers आते थे. Well wisher आगे ये बोलते थे ये सब हम लोग करके छोड़ दिए ये gigabyte, gigabyte and stuff like that. So in 2015, e-com was not that big of a deal. D2C business were unheard of. उसमें भी ऐसा type का business जिसमें your ASP is like close to 1 lakh rupees average selling price. So yeah, that was kind of messed up. And yeah, first couple of months we never did a sale. Like our registration date was something mid-November, and we got our bank account done in December, but we never did a sale till January, February. And we registered on Flipkart also, Amazon also. I distinctly remember this. Randomly Flipkart pe order aaya, and we were like, whoa, order aaya, like full. We semi-celebrated it also. And before the end of the day, it got cancelled also. एक ही दिन में hero से zero. That was really depressing. जब वो order cancel हो गया, I remember I just randomly took my bike and it's a 1.5 घंटा random हैदराबाद के roads पे गाने सुनते हुए मैं I just drove that bike. रोना भी आ रहा था, frustrated भी था. That is the part of the game, right?
Were you rethinking your decision?
I must have rethought about it a lot of times, but the whole thing about starting it, I love what I do, right? I love hardware.
Pretty evident you love hardware.
Yeah. See, look at that. I have control issues. You can say I am a control freak. So yeah, this was our first office, and by the end of 2016, my mom kicked me out because by the end of 2016 we started to ship some systems, and you can imagine डब्बे जमा हो रहे थे इधर उधर, and यहीं पे पैक करके हम लोग लेके जा रहे हैं. So that hustle bustle inside the house obviously doesn't suit well for a mom. So she kicked us out, and she kicked us out in the same building. ऊपर के floor में there's a 2 BHK rented out place. So we were shifted to that space, and we stayed there also for a year. I'll actually take you there also. Yeah, come, let's go. Actually issue क्या रहता था, क्योंकि जब lift नहीं रहती थी यहाँ पे, it just used to be the stairs. तो अब पैक पुक करके हम ही लेके जाते थे 2 फ्लोर चढ़ के, सामान लाने के टाइम भी और लेके जाने के टाइम पे भी. थोड़ा सा वो चैलेंज हो जाता था कभी कभी, स्पेशली जब थोड़ा शिपमेंट्स बढ़ने लगा था. तो यही रहता था हम लोग का फर्स्ट ऑफिस. हम पे तरस खा के बाजू वाले आंटी समोसे चाय बेचती थी डेली. तो 2 BHK में से 1 BHK बन गया था स्टोर, हॉल बन गया था, सीटिंग एरिया. 3 लोग थे हम लोग तब. मेरे साइड पे पूरा टेस्टिंग का रहता था, ऑपोजिट साइड पे रिपोर्ट बनाने वाले या जो भी बोले. जब हर कोई हर चीज था, सेल सपोर्ट, कस्टमर सर्विस, सब. हेलो, लेट मी ट्रांसफर यू टू आवर फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट. हेलो. Whenever I used to have some small fight, I will just get out, go to that corner and have a quick smoke. Smoking is injurious to health, don't smoke. ऐसा होता था लाइफ में. On to the next one. 2017, slightly reality struck us a bit. Okay, then we did some math, and then we understood that just the sale number of 20-30 pieces is not going to be able to give us a store that we wanted to make, because हम लोग का फंडा भी अलग था. We wanted to make an area for discussion, demo. For example, and somebody architect is coming in and he's talking about my work use cases so and so. Let's install your software on this. Let's add more RAM to it and see if it's working better. Let's change the graphic card and see if it's working better. तो ये सब में हम लोग को मजा आता था. And in fact, in the first few days after opening the store, हमको तो कोई जानता नहीं था. Many people had come in, I have a problem with my existing setup. We did that stuff for free for them. Just to be like, हाँ ठीक है. So when the first few photos actually kind of started getting circulated, like God bless Nvidia chaps, Naki साहब करके एक थे Nvidia में तब. He actually saw some photos on our store somewhere online and he came down and visited us also. We got a chance to be part of Gamer Connect 2017. That was crazy actually. First of all, that Gamer Connect 2017 on itself was crazy. And we did get a lot of recognition within a small circle of the industry saying, अरे इन लोगों का store तो एकदम अलग ही है. Nobody had seen anything like that in India till then. कोई भी कंप्यूटर स्टोर ऐसा नहीं था. Nobody had thought about it. And since it was the first store, we even जो assembly वहाँ होती थी, it was like you could see if somebody is coming down, they could actually see that assembly. It used to be open. So there's a funny story around the first store, the 2017 store that we had was a couple of 6 months later or a couple of months later, some people from the industry, by this time people started to know us. जो ये काम otherwise India में करते हैं. And that guy was like, मुझे मिलना था उस इंसान से जो इसने इतना बड़ा स्टोर खोला और उसमें 4 टेबल लगाए. And that's when it actually hit me कि how much more different we are from regular retail that's happening. And I think once we get on this flyover, you'll be able to see the store. So ये base the gym जहाँ लिखा हुआ है अभी, this is where a store है वो जगह. अभी लोग पर्दे वर्दे डाल दिए हैं. We used to put like random posters. चल. When we had moved, it was not that bad. Brings back a lot of memories. It does. So this is now a full gym now. Oh wow, crazy है ना? अभी तो मस्त जिम है ना? जब हम लोग का स्टोर था, like imagine this place is actually really big. If you can notice it. तो ये कोने में हम लोग बैठते थे. ये कोने में. उस कोने में कैफे रहता था. ये कोने में हम लोग बैठते थे. And we wanted something of a view like this. Because ये व्यू बहुत मस्त लगता था. ये दिन भर गाड़ी जा रहा है यहाँ से. And so on. Actually जो ऊपर की पाइपिंग है अपन ने की है ये. All this piping we only did. This तो काफी बड़ी जगह थी. But इतने well built लोग नहीं होते थे पहले. The issue with opening a store in a place like this was किराया ज़्यादा था. Actually ज़्यादा था. And we thought, how do we make it make sense for us? And the way we made it make sense was, we'll open a gaming cafe. We are doing gaming that can double up as our experience center वाला thing. And that actually worked out actually. जो gaming cafe का portion का जो revenue आता था, that used to take care of the rent. And we were supremely focused on shipping PCs through e-com. And of course, we had the first ever retail that we had. So people started coming. Because our reviews in Google was always amazing from the start. I think now across all locations we were close to 2,000 plus reviews. So by the time 2020 had rolled in, we were already looking at places. We were like, हो गया ये जगह से, अब निकलते हैं. Because we were doing really well. We started shipping across India. Our team has steadily grown. हमारे पास एक परमानेंट जस्ट फोटोग्राफी के लिए बंदा था. जो बच्चे कैफे में खेलते थे वो लोग हमारे इंटर्न बनना शुरू हो गए. Some of them are still with us by the way. A lot of people grew with us as we grew. That's also a fact. So yeah, 2020 COVID हुआ and we decided let's get out of this place. That's where we go to our next place now. When we were moving out of this place, तो 2-3 टाइप के प्रॉब्लम आ गए थे हमारे पास. First of all, when we were moving out of this place, we were kind of in a semi argument with the owners of the mall. I think they had put so much restriction on us. 7-8 बजे के बाद खुलना नहीं है. And we were pretty certain कि हमारा deposit आएगा नहीं, rental deposit. So the way we moved out was also very crazy. So all the expensive material we had like ACs and everything, we moved it a month in advance to the new place. Because we knew in the end they लोग नाटक करेंगे, हम लोगों को निकलने नहीं देंगे.
एंड धीरे धीरे करके हमने सारा सामान शिफ्ट करना शुरू कर दिए थे उधर से. नाउ कीप दिस इन माइंड, वी आर अ फंक्शनिंग बिजनेस सर्विंग अक्रॉस इंडिया, एंड व्हाइल फंक्शनिंग वी हैव टू बिल्ड अ न्यू स्टोर एंड मेक श्योर दैट वी आर शिफ्टिंग विदाउट एनी डिसरप्शन टू अ सर्विस. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी रियलाइज दैट यार बार बार मूव करना बहुत तकलीफ वाला काम है, आसान नहीं है. सो आई मीन kudos to the entire team who worked there without ACs for about a month actually. और मतलब आसान नहीं था वो. And I used to come down in the office every morning, pump the people up a little bit, and I used to have a whole playlist of inspirational songs like Bhag Milka Bhag, Lakshya type songs. And I used to share it in the office group also every day, ताकि सब जोश में आए और काम अच्छा कर सकें. Because COVID से business को got a huge boost. I mean suddenly it was like everybody on earth wanted a computer. And naturally they contacted us because we were still functioning as soon as the lockdown opened, and we had a lot of orders. Oh my god, man, it was insane. And we were just about 6-7 people trying to execute those orders. So imagine going from 50 odd systems a month to suddenly 100 in 2020 COVID time. Oh my god, it was crazy.
Which actually brings us to this store. So we moved here in 2020 end, and when we built this, it was the biggest store of its kind for PC building. You might ask, do we really need that much space? That's a great question. And yes, we did, because we weren't just making gaming PCs anymore. We were building PCs of every kind. And once we moved here, we kind of start shipping more and more workstation builds. Builds for 3D modeling, VFX, architects, people working with AI. You know, fun fact, we actually started shipping AI builds way back in 2018. There's a really bad voiceover video that's still there on our YouTube channel with 4 1080 Ti's. Yeah, those were gaming cards though, but उस time पे वही कार्ड रहते थे AI kill करने के लिए. Xeon के साथ 4 1080 Ti, fun build. As it transpired, we end up shipping more workstation builds every month rather than gaming systems. In fact, the reason for our logo change and to change our name from MVP Gaming to the MVP only was this, because we kind of wanted our image not to look like a gamer image, if that makes any sense, even though we are gamers at heart. Many people thought our logo is a Katawan Nimbu, or yeah, many people thought this was a restaurant when it opened, because nobody thought इतने बड़ा space में कोई PC build कर रहा होगा, right? So people used to walk in and see like क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे, and then we had to explain again and again what our logo means. Our logo actually means it's a fan cut into half, and if you start spinning the fan, not the fan, the logo, it actually looks like a fan. So yeah, mystery solved. As it happened, we realized we were shipping a lot of systems in particular regions, and we knew that we need to offer better service, faster turnaround times, people with the boots on the ground to visit customers so that they don't have to wait for one person responding in another city altogether, rather than they just have a person near to them who can visit within the day. And that led us to opening a store in Gurgaon and Bangalore in the same year. That was ending 2022, beginning 2023. And by 2024, we added another store in Mumbai. Now, all these 3 new stores that we opened was not just like to show a vanity metric that we have so many stores. It was simply because we needed to be closer to our customers. Because if you're trying to build a company around the fact that we need to be providing unmatched service, like no equal service, nobody can equal our service, we need to be that much closer to you. It just can't happen without it. So that was the 3 stores. And now, in 2025, we're actually running out of space again. Our inventory is overflowing outside. We don't have enough testing stations. तब सोच के डिजाइन कर लेना चाहिए था ये जगह को ना, पर नहीं कर पाए. But here we are, looking for new space. So we've been searching for new places since 2024 beginning. A solid 18 months of searching in various cities, various long drives, various brokers. As luck would have it, we ended up finding a space right next door, literally right next door. This empty piece of land that you see will probably house the next MVP store, or should I say the MVP building, because it will fulfill a need for all the space that we need, and we'll have a permanent home finally. It might take us a couple of years or maybe 3 to eventually finish the building, but yeah, it would mean that our next journey video, after 10 years wala or the next 10 years journey video might not have us traveling all over the city to show you where we existed. So yeah, this is going to be possibly our most important build yet. Thank you for being a part of the journey. To each and every one of you supported us throughout this decade, including people who worked with us. Some of them are still with us, many of them are not. But a huge thank you, man. My heart is filled with gratitude, genuinely. And I don't think we could have done this without you guys. Keep following us, keep praying for us, and of course, keep trusting us with your high-end compute needs. Thank you. God bless you guys.